How to see Spotify receipts. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can find and see your receipts on Spotify, or how you can find your Spotify receipts. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy. You won't be able to do it on the application itself. However, what you'll need to do is you'll have to head into your browser, whether on your phone or on your desktop. Simply head into the browser. Now I've just opened up Chrome here. You want to head into spotify.com. Make sure to head into spotify.com. Here you can see I'm on spotify.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this of your account here. Simply tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, you'll find various options there. Tap on the view account option. Tap on view account and it'll head into this page here. Now what you want to do is, if you scroll down below, you can see the second option, payment, and under it you can find the first option, order history. Simply tap on order history here and you'll get your receipts here. Now I don't have any purchase history here, but if you have any, and it'll be found out here. So this way you can see your Spotify receipt. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.